been on that fucking nigga shit.
About to go to this Carmeet with my cousin and Andrew and JC.
Since you put a bullet up inside his body, all through Baton Rouge, nigga, we been riding with them choppers.
So, whoa. So it's a Carmeet at down in Chola. I think it's at Chemical Guys, and I just saw it today after school, so might as well take my cousin.
I got this.
Okay. We got Devin, the stick ass nigga right here. Stick ass nigga JC, my nigga Andrew.
I don't know if it's a revving battle.
I don't know. It looks kind of dead. But they're having a little rev battle over there. Damn. I wish I had a light. We have Ilfag here.
Hey, fuck up.
And we got Posse.aaron.
Ooh, clean ass whip.
Some rice rat shit right there. Oh my god.
How this one?
Oh, we got a gay Subaru, I guess.
Best two up here. Let's have the best two. Let's get that Genesis.
Right now, having a rev battle.
It's all,
I smell clutch.
Me too.
he's disqualified. That is
Right?
I'll smoke 'em.
My car sounds the same. My car sounds the same as that. We got a nice ass Evo. Look at this Evo. Come on, do it.
STY.
Slide. Man, let's go look at my car. Let's go look at. Come on. Oh, there goes my guy Alejandro. Oh, these trucks are freaking nasty, man. DJ. We got the most stock car here.
Oh, hell yeah. We're waiting for you, big boy. What's up?
I think he said waiting for me. Oh, GTR, never mind.
Send it!
Send it. What the? It's automatic.
Alright, was that the last turbo car?
That's cute. That's cute. Wait. Wait. It's my turn. It's my turn to go. Why didn't you go bring your car?
Alright guys, so it's up to
Does it
you.
start?
Who won?
Here's a piece of shit starter. My car here. The most stock one here, probably. Huh? The most stock car here? Right next to you.
You can't see that, bro. Come through. Oh my god. DNA, so bye-bye.
I'm just kidding.
So it's up between the Jenny and what else, you guys?
Pretty sure the Genesis one, or what was the other car? Oh, the STI. The STI.
Another one. Oh.
But
Not again. No.
might be. GMC.
Get rid of your cats, then come back, bro. It's not loud enough.
Let's walk into Chemical Guys, because I might buy something. Inside Chemical Guys. With the losers. He's too gay. But, ooh, should I buy some scent for my car? This is the one that Andrew had. Stripper scent. Which smelled like the strippers I went to go get the other day. I'm gonna tell Mrs. Zarate come through. Ooh, all you smell is freaking rubber.
Y'all can get a consolation prize of
Gasolina.
can the Genesis owner can stay where he's at.
That's a quarter tank already. I think that's Andrew in the back.
The party's down here, bro. Where you at?
I think that's Andrew in the back.
Andrew.
What? Is that really Andrew?
Fiat owner. The Fiat owner can go to Upskewers and get some free food. Maybe.
I don't know what scent to buy.
He's ready for the winter.
V-God. V-God.
Andrew's leaving.
Huh?
Andrew left.
Why? Wow. Amazing. Evo. Wonder where Andrew went to.
Going out.
He's leaving right now?
Yeah.
Why? What my nigga leaving for? There's Kyle. Where's Kenny at? That's Kenny. I mean, I guess Andrew. What the hell was that? I think my car sounds way better. Currently in the car, eating, because I got hungry. Good ZX.
Twin turbos.
Twin turbo.
So from Instagram is they got a Mustang select.
But I think the meat right now is dying. They just had a rev battle and a raffle. Raffle? What the heck is messaging me? Oh. But yeah. Wanna go with you? Go get your car. Everybody's leaving. So? Nothing but trucks here. Boring. That's Alejandro's favorite though. My dude. But currently finna walk to JC's car. It's probably gonna be a 10-minute vlog. just standing there? Because his car takes forever to start.
It literally does. I need a new starter.
That is rice. Oh, you heard that? You heard that?
Nope.
What kind of body kit is this? I ain't a hater though. I just say, what kind of body kit is that? Yeah, it's Acura. It's Acura. Oh, this SC's clean though, for sure. But I don't think they want that root beer, so I might drink it. Oh, it's already drunk. Oh, my dude Star Fox. He hella parked far. JC's car, which takes forever to start. So we're probably just gonna stay here. Huh? Who cares? And it takes forever. I think this was just a ricer meat. I don't know. Was barely anything clean. Cold. Probably like 50 degrees outside. Not that cold. Ha ha. Oh, it's already been a long time. Freaking loser. What are you doing on your phone? Started already. And he gutted out his seat. Again, it's already been probably like 5 minutes. Still does not want to start.
I ain't put it on, yeah. I don't care about no bitch, I ain't giving a shit. Spit it out of my home, yeah. I can put on myself from my car to my house, everything I own, yeah. When they come to that
Huh? My cluster's dying. I need new LEDs.
I might go look for a job. Might walk the mall or something, look for a job.
Oh yeah. Tomorrow, Devin and I might go walk around the mall because we need a freaking job.
So we buy car parts.
But
You guys are gonna get less hours.
huh?
You guys aren't gonna get hours.
Who cares? It's still money. You're not getting hours.
Lately been on that fucking nigga shit. Take that nigga bitch and then I pass her to the click. I say, see me, I don't got no time for no bitch. I just get